Okay, so the first thing we want to do with our integral is make sure that the denominator is completely factored. And so let me just rewrite the numerator again. And this one, x squared minus 4, that could factor into x minus 2x plus 2. And so then this can be written as x minus 2 times x plus 2 squared. Okay, and so that's good to do the decomposition. So in that case, we would get 6x squared plus 7x minus 6 over x minus 2 times x plus 2 squared. We're going to break this up into a over the first factor, x minus 2, plus b over, so since this is a repeated factor, so we're going to have a b over x plus 2, and then plus c over x plus 2 squared. Okay, and then as usual, multiply both sides by the denominator, x minus 2, x plus 2 squared, and that gets rid of all the denominators, so we would have 6x squared plus 7x minus 6 equals to a times x plus 2 squared plus b times x plus 2 x minus 2, and then plus c times x minus 2. Okay, now in this one, since we've done this quite a bit, we're going to go a little quicker on this part. So we're going to, again, remember the idea. We want to zero out all of them except for 1 so that we can find each one of these coefficients, a, b, and c. So let's say we want to get rid of both b and c. We can do that by letting x equals to 2. So if we let x equal to 2, what we get is on the left side, so you have 2 squared, which is 4, times 6 is 24, plus 14 is 38, minus 6 is 32, is equal to, and then 2 plus 2 is 4, squared is 16a. So this means that a is equal to 2. Okay, fair enough. That's the first one. Now let's zero out both a and b. Let's let x equal to negative 2. So if we let x equal to negative 2, we zero out a, we zero out b, and on the left side, we get 24 again, and then minus 14, which is 10, minus 6 is 4, is equal to negative 4c. So that means that c is equal to negative 1. Okay, great. So we've got a and we've got b. A and we have c. Now for b, we just choose any other number, any other value for x. And so an easy one would be to let x equal to 0. Because if you let x equal to 0, then what you get is, on the left side, you'll get just negative 6 is equal to, here you get 2 squared, which is 4, times a, which is 2, so that's 8. And then here you get minus 4b. And then plus, c is negative 1, and so this last one is going to be plus 2. And so then in that case, you get that b is equal to 4. Okay, so you have your coefficients. A is 2. A is going to be 2. B is going to be 4. And c is going to be negative 1. So we can rewrite this integral as those three fractions. So let's do that. So we have this is equal to I'm going to take the constants outside. So it's going to be 2 times the integral of 1 over x minus 2 dx. And then plus 4 times the integral of 1 over x plus 2 dx. And then minus 1, so the integral of 1 over x plus 2 squared dx. Okay, so now I just have those three integrals to find. And just like in the previous problems, this one is easy. I just have 2 natural log of absolute value of x minus 2, and then plus 4 natural log absolute value of x plus 2, and then minus, actually this ends up being plus 1 over x plus 2. And this is plus c. And if you're confused about that last one, remember what you do is you let u equal to x plus 2, du equal to dx. And if you do that, you get just that antiderivative right there. And that's it.